Welcome to Strike a Pose. Today's pose is Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2 in Sanskrit. And Warrior 2 is a very powerful pose that we're going to build from the ground up. It's going to work the entire body from the feet, the ankles, the quadriceps, the glutes, the shoulders, the arms, the hips. It's pretty much a full body energy workout that helps with, can also help with respiratory problems and circulation. So let's get started. Lots of ways to get into Warrior 2, but for right now we're just going to start in our mountain pose. So grounding down through all four corners of the feet here and just taking a nice deep breath in and breath out. From here, you're going to bend your left knee and just step it behind you. And you're going to need to play around with the distance. We'll get to that in a second. But you're sinking into your front knee so that your knee is over your ankle. Your back foot should be parallel to the back of your mat. So if you're familiar with Warrior 1, we're at like a 45-degree angle with that foot. Warrior 2, that foot should be parallel. So you can even just look back at that foot. You want to make sure that you're grounded down through the back of that foot too, that you're not leaning into one side. So really lots to think about here. And we're, again, building this pose just like any standing pose from the ground up. So we're bending into that front knee. The arms are coming out, right arm in front of us, left arm behind. You really want to reach long with the fingertips. Keep the gaze over that second finger. So it's just right in front of your eyes here. You want to draw the shoulders down. So you don't want to be up here by the ears. You want to relax. Draw the shoulders down. That knee should be tracking over the second and third toe. So as you glance down to that front foot, you should see your big toe. If you don't, it probably means you need to move that knee out a little bit. It tends to want to do this. So just be mindful of opening that leg. So another trick here for arm placement in order to open everything up. So we're really opening up the chest here. As I said, we're working into the shoulders, working into the chest. Flip your palms. As you flip the palms, you should feel that heart open up all through here. So I want you to keep that integrity in the chest being open and just flip the palms. Just flip the palms like you're flipping a pancake. And keep the arms, upper arms where they are, and just notice what that feels like. So everything's nice and open. Breath in. Breath out. So as you hold this pose, you're going to feel it. Everything's energized. You're going to feel it in your quads, maybe in your inner thighs. And try to draw the heels together. They're not going to go anywhere, but try to pretend like you're drawing them together. And that's where you're going to feel some fire in your inner thighs here. So a lot going on. Great full body workout holding this pose. So going to the other side, let's just straighten that front leg. Shake it out if you need to. Dial the feet and we'll just turn around just to keep it simple here. So this time bending into that left knee, that right foot's behind you. Take a glance at it to make sure the outer edge is parallel to the back of your mat. Sinking into that front knee, being mindful that that knee is tracking over that second and third toe. You can see the big toe. And then when you're ready, extending the arms long. So this time left arm long, left arm front, right arm behind you. So you really want to reach, like you're trying to reach something in front of you, trying to reach something behind you. This is what you don't want to happen. You're not leaning forward into the future. You're not leaning back into the past. You want to be right into the center, into the present. Breath in, breath out. Doing that placement check again, just flip the palms. Notice how that chest opens up, getting a little more space. Keeping the integrity of that upper body, just flip the hands like a pancake. Breath in. Breath out. That's just a little trick I like to do to kind of reset the upper body, and then draw the shoulders down, sinking in, breath in, breath out. So you should already feel stronger, more energized, like a warrior.